HET 192. This week we're going to be talking about the Energy Auditor. The Energy Auditor is somebody who comes in, looks at a structure, analyzes the losses due to lack of installation, operation, and other means such as the type of lighting you have and whatnot. The Energy Auditor's job is to go in, analyze the structure overall, and give a report to the building owner or building manager so they can come up with a solution to solve that problem and thereby save energy. The Energy Auditor has to know a good, well-rounded basic HVAC education. They need to also know building construction and building systems, as that's what they're kind of looking at, is electrical side installation on walls, roofs, things like that. Wherever we could be losing our heating, cooling, we're overloading lights, could be too much of things happening in the structure, and how do we alleviate that problem? Their job causes them to have a good set of written and verbal communication skills. They will be dealing with building owners, managers, and homeowners. When they're making their presentations, they're basically going to be talking about what they found and what they can do to solve the problems. And when you get into large structures, that can be a very costly proposition. So therefore, they need to be able to convey that message to them, spell out what can be done to save the energy, and talk about payback costs down the road. So it may be very expensive up front, but down the road this energy savings will be paying them off and will create profits for them in the future. So the Energy Auditor's role is very important. It's grown in magnitude over the last 20 years because the costs of energy have increased so much, and at the same time we've developed new technologies and higher efficiency equipment, higher efficiency systems, and we've been able to, our controls are much more precise and can maintain systems much more closely. In large buildings, building automation systems have been brought in where they can turn equipment on, turn it off. They can be set out to make sure temperatures overnight will be lower or raised depending on what season you're in. They can do a lot of different things, so they're able to save money on their buildings with that. The Energy Auditor is the person who will demonstrate what needs to be done to achieve the savings. It's a real good career to get into, as it's a newer career. It's still growing, and I think you find that field kind of interesting. Again, you need to have a good, well-rounded HVAC education, good communication skills to deal with your clients and customers, good written skills, and good computer skills. So you'll need an education beyond HVAC for this field. Good luck with your assignments this week. See you next time.